Hello guys, this is Joe from J.C.DESIGN and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Today's unboxing is basically going to be an unboxing of this product. So it's the Marshall Acton 2 Bluetooth speaker. It's not completely wireless. This brand kind of likes to... They make a lot of different speakers, some portable and some not portable. This is the non-portable. So this is pretty much going to go in our kitchen. And yeah, I just thought it would be kind of cool to show this kind of speaker on my YouTube channel because it's quite a cool design. I like the vintage look. And I've wanted one for quite a while. Well, my girlfriend has, and I like the style. So it's a wireless home Bluetooth speaker. It's pretty heavy, and usually if it's heavy, it's expensive.
Are they heavy?
Yeah.
Then they're expensive. Put them back.
And it was pretty expensive. So let's get into this puppy. So pretty easy. We'll just open it up here. Ooh. Pretty simple. And then we'll open the box here. Alright, it's fairly nicely packaged. I'll just take the top off. Whoop. Sorry. And you can see, it's pretty heavy. So let me just put this to the side. We have, what do we have here? We got some sort of manual. Yeah, I know nobody reads that. And then what else do we have here? Quick start guide. Okay. Plug it in. Use your phone. Plug the mains lead into the mains input on your speaker and then power jack to the wall socket. Okay, so plug it in, download the Marshall Bluetooth and... Okay. Instructions. Alright, good. What's under here? And there's the lead. I actually live in Berlin, so we have weird plug sockets like this. I miss the three-pronger plug socket from England, but yeah, so it doesn't really come with much, just comes with a power lead and the actual product. So let's have a look at the product. So this is the actual product here. Let me just take this plastic bag off. It's actually pretty heavy, so I'm going to be careful with it. I'll just put this down here. So this is the speaker established in 1962. So it's quite a retro looking speaker. It's a modern speaker, but with like a retro look. And obviously it's got the Marshall brand on the front. This is all metal on the front here. I'm guessing that's why it's so heavy. And then you've also got like a metal kind of plated top here, and then volume, bass, treble, and then power button. I really like how this power button, it's got like a nice weight to it, and everything's metal and kind of feels very luxurious actually. The back just has one plug socket and then a service port, and then it's got kind of this thing here. I don't know whether that's to carry it. I don't think it is. I think it's more for sound, just kind of to amplify the sound. So yeah, that's pretty much the product. It's very heavy. maybe I should connect it and see how it sounds. Hi guys, don't mean to interrupt the video, but if you would like to subscribe, remember to hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing, it's free, and I'd really appreciate it. I post content every Sunday, so if you don't want to miss anything, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks, bye. So overall guys, I think the Marshall Action 2 speaker is a good purchase. The sound's good, the style is good, and it's very robust, and it feels like it'll last forever. So yeah, that was just a quick unboxing for today. I mean, it's not exactly a review of the product, it's just kind of to show you what's in the box and kind of maybe a few little features of the device. But I hope you enjoyed this video today. It's been kind of fun trying to video it with my iPhone. I'm going to be getting a new camera soon, so don't worry, the quality will get better. And remember to subscribe, it's free. I'll be posting a video every Sunday until the end of time, so remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications, and you won't miss a video. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. Anyway, have a safe weekend, bye bye.